Hello guys, for today's video, sa Luna chicken tayo today. First, i-heat mo yung oil, tapos lagay mo yung cinnamon stick, 3 pieces, cardamom, 4 pieces, dry lemon, 3 pieces, clove, 6 pieces. Tapos, onion chop, to medium, depends yan sa chicken mo. Pag isang chicken lang, to medium size yun. Tapos, i-brown mo siya. Tapos, pag nag-brown na, ilagay mo yung ginger at saka garlic paste. Tapos, lagay mo yung manok. Isut mo siya in 5 to 6 minutes. Tapos, open mo yung kaldero, tapos lagay mo yung tomato chop. 2 large yun. Mo siya ng 5 to 6 minutes. Lagyan mo ng coriander powder, 2 teaspoon, turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon, Arabic masala 3 teaspoon, salt